I now have 311,000 on this Mustang, and limited slip clutch packs wore out. And of course, they've been wore out for a long time. So I want to, this differential hasn't been touched in 27 years. I'm going to take it apart and see what it looks like after that amount of time, and go ahead and rebuild, put all new bearings in, new clutch packs, and just keep the same gears if they're fine. If the gears are wore out, maybe I'll increase the gears on them, but I want to see what it looks like after all those years. All right, I'm ready to pop the lid on this thing and see what this fluid looks like after all these years. I've never done an oil change on the rear end on this thing. It's 310,000 miles on it. The oil itself doesn't look bad, but we'll see when I get this lid off. Let's see. Let's see what that thing looks like. Well, from first look, it looks like all the gears are okay. I'm not sure about the spider gears. I'll have to check them closer. After closer inspection, I'm going to go ahead and replace the spider gears on there also. I'm replacing all the bearings. I might as well replace those too. It's another just over $100, I think. That's what I found. So I think the 273 gears look fine. I don't see any problem with those. I'm just going to keep those. I'm not taking it to a drag strip. So, well, I've got everything else but the spider gears. So I got the bearing installation kit and traction lock clutch rebuild, and the wheel bearings, and then a gasket. So all I got to get is the spider gears now. So what I found bad, the axle shafts, they got a little bit of wear. This is the driver's side. This is the passenger side, and it's pretty wore. So I ordered new axle shafts. I had some rear end noise, and I think that's what it was. It was just the right hand axle shaft bearings being bad. As far as the bearings on here, for that many miles and that many years, these look pretty good. I don't see anything wrong with them. But I went ahead and bought kits earlier this year, so I'm just going to go ahead and redo all the bearings since I got it out. I ordered some new spider gears. These look okay still, but I just wanted to replace them anyway. And if you ask the Ford dealer to match online prices, they will. So I got those for the spider gears I got for $130. The other sites are like $188, somewhere around there. So like LMR has them for $188. I found some Ford dealers that had them for $124. But I called the Ford dealer up locally here, and they said they would match it at about $130. So all you gotta do is ask nice, and they should match the price. Everything looked good in this rear end, but I'm gonna go ahead and rebuild it.